All right, turning now to our weather. Some areas could actually see rain. Say it ain't so. KCAL News meteorologist Marina Jurica is back with your next weather forecast, and it's so nice and sunny in certain areas. Hard to believe rain is on the way.
Yes, but we're finally starting to get some systems in here that will allow us for picking up on at least 20 to 30% rain chance next week. But you can see that some areas are not seeing the sunshine at all. Boy, do we have stubborn fog along the coast today. Looking live at Cirque du Soleil's Cuza tent out there in Santa Monica Beach, we are socked in, and it's going to take a lot for the next couple of hours to really chisel away and get that sunshine in here. But those of us that are already seeing sunshine, we're easily in the 70s and 80s with 81 in Simi Valley, 78 in Burbank, 75 in Palmdale, 82 in Riverside and San Bernardino, 69 in Fullerton, 76 in downtown LA. And this afternoon, those 80s and 90s will roll back in as you head further inland, as our coast will stay in the low 70s once that sun does come out in full force by about 2 to 3. So moving forward in our next weather forecast, that's when we start to see those big changes happening. So low clouds and fog are going to hang tough all weekend and into next week, but we'll have warm and dry afternoons through tomorrow, and that's when things start to change. We've got a huge cold front and a strong trough that's strengthening. That's going to bring us strong winds, cooler temperatures, and the chance for some light showers Monday night into Tuesday. So that's that area of low pressure in the Pac Northwest right now. It is going to really deepen, and as that associated cold front starts to move through, we will be looking at those big changes and those stubborn clouds really not going away. And that is not only an issue right now ahead of this system, which we can see very nicely here as we move into our next weather weekend forecast, but also we're going to get some clouds off of Hurricane Christy. That's way off in the Pacific, and it is not going to be affecting any land masses, which is great, but it is going to be bringing in cloud coverage to us as we push into the weekend, and also maybe a chance for a little bit of drizzle, especially on Sunday and Monday, as remnants of now what will be Tropical Storm Christy by the weekend will push towards our region. But it is going to be way offshore by hundreds of miles. So we'll just be seeing clouds and maybe a bit of drizzle from that system. But everyone is going to see the bottom drop out temperature wise no matter what. So we're going to go from the upper 80s to low 90s over the next 48 hours in the Inland Empire to, low 60s and a 30% chance of showers as we see that cold front push through Monday night into Tuesday. And then for the valleys, those low 90s become low 70s. So at least a 20-degree cool down. And we can see that also in the LA and OC metro area. That is going to move from the low 80s into the upper 60s with that 20% chance of showers as we head into the early part of next week as well. So feeling a lot more like fall. If you like the summer, Amy, get out there today and tomorrow.
I was going to say that cool down is just more motivation to get out and enjoy the weekend. Thanks so much.
KCAL News, more news than any other local station.
We're here when you want your news.
Here on KCAL at 9 and 10.
Then on CBS Los Angeles at 11.
KCAL News on CBS Los Angeles, tonight at 11. Now you can get your KCAL News, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.